up, you guys? Guess who finally made it back to New York after 4 months? Of course, in my Hawaii outfit, and Bae is here to pick us up. I know she's here, I just don't know what car she has. Text. Maybe I gotta cross the street. I like don't know where I am. You better get me before somebody convinces me to get in their taxi. I know I'm really broke, I have no money left. What kind of car do you drive? I've been gone for so long, I don't remember. Oh no, I couldn't even realize, like, it's New York and it's cold and I'm not even cold. It's probably because I've been on a plane for the past 13 hours. Wait, is that your shitty car? I think I see your shitty car. Oh, did you just go up a ramp? Yeah, I was on the down part of that ramp. Oh my god, I'm filming on the phone and carrying this bag all at the same time. Okay, I got this. Almost there. There's the shitty car! I love you! Is it? Oh. And now we're lesbians. Just like high school. And cheesecake. Hey, remember when you dropped me off at the airport? Yeah. And you were like, how are you gonna carry this thing around Europe? And then I did.
How are you gonna go around Europe with this?
I have no idea, honestly. Wait, I think I just saw your shitty car from afar, even though I have a terrible vision, but I knew it was your shitty car. Hey, look, Bae brought peanuts.
Mixed nuts.
Mixed nuts.
Not just peanuts.
But there are peanuts in there.
Yes.
The plan to just sit here until someone yells at us?
I need a minute!
Was it hard driving here?
No, it wasn't hard, but you know, it's just like I need a minute.
It's just New York. So on my plane ride, I was sitting next to this lady who clearly taught at Juilliard, and this other lady that was making nutritional facts PowerPoint things, right? And I'm sitting in the middle drinking Jack Daniels at 8 in the morning, laughing hysterically at We Are the Millers. So who's living their best life, am I right?
No regret.
No regrets.
Regrets. It's like Rugrats. Regrets.
Good movie. So we're somewhere in New York that has a bunch of traffic. And so we're gonna take a detour because Jess wants to show me the Amityville Horror House. So this vlog just got interesting.
Wait, it is on sale for $850,000.
Whoa! I still got that left in the bank. Guys, we're almost at the Amityville Horror House. How exciting. What a treat.
I'm so scared.
Look, she's shivering in her timbers.
I'm shivering in my timbers. Here we go.
Luxury puppies? Oh, we are in the nice place. Those aren't just regular puppies. Those are luxury puppies.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Where is it?
I'm so scared.
Do you think they dressed it up for Halloween? That'd be a great idea. Stop. In the name of love, before you break the heart. Okay, look what that was.
Yeah, it's this one.
So they did dress it up for Halloween, but no one lives there, right? No.
Oh, go.
Sorry, we're just being tourists.
Oh my god.
I know what it's like to live in a house like that.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Well, at least it wasn't a cop.
Just turning. Just turning around.
Sorry. So sorry. Oh my god. The movie came out in 1979, so apparently it looks a little bit different now.
Looks nicer.
It does look nice. So another unsuspecting person will move into it, but we'll get one more drive-by.
Here we go.
All right, so after our Amityville Horror House experience, we had to do the one thing that I haven't had in so long. New York pizza. So we're gonna destroy that now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Big time.
And then we're gonna go out for the night because I haven't seen Bae since Spain in July, so obviously it's Friday night. We gotta go out and have some nice, sophisticated drinks together.
Tequila shots. Big time.
So we will catch you on the next one.